Thukuru-ini wa airitu wa Materi mwena wa Tharaka Nithi ni guceretwo ni ageni matarerĩgĩrĩirwo ni undu wa mũiritu umwe wa form 3. Hilda Gacheri agicoka tamu ya gatatu nioi ati kuri watho urutitwo ni ruhonge rwa NEMA rwa kurua na bara ya maratathi ma minyore na kuhimbiria watho ucio agietha kiondo gitumitwo na magoto.
The idea of coming up with this bag was to conserve my environment. It is a locally available material that everybody can afford.
I've seen that she was creative. She had courage to walk maybe from our home to Nkubu market is around 6 kilometers and it is a busy road.
Agicoka na mirigo yake wari undu wa mwanya kuri aru nake undu uria ndumiririo yakinyeire ruhonge ru na marekinya cukuru-ini ucio kumutugata baruthi.
I'm proud, really very proud to have such kind of a girl, you know, who not only is trying to conserve, you know, environment, habitat, but also thinks of how to create, to be innovative.
Ruhonge ru rugite minister wa maria maturigiciirie Judy wa hungu ni kuhe Gacheri ritwa rieru na kuri maundu mangi ruhonge ru rumubangire.
We want to adopt this girl Hilda into an environmental ambassador, a mentor,
na gutigirira ati undu ucio ndukariganira thukuru-ini ucio maratiga mahanda muti na magoto. Ritana ria kurua na maratathi ma minyore riambiriirie mweri wa 2 mwaka uyu. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.